In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect Brave browser. By the end, you'll have a simple lock on your browser so only you can open it. This is especially helpful if you share a computer or just want an extra layer of privacy for your tabs and browsing history. Start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Once it's up, look to the upper right corner for the icon with 3 horizontal lines. That's the main menu. Click it to open the list of options. From there, find extensions and then choose Visit Web Store. This will take you to the extensions marketplace where we'll add the tool that handles the lock. In the web store's search bar, type the name Browser Lock, lock your browser. You should see an extension with that title in the results. Open its page to review the details, then click Add to Brave. Brave may ask you to confirm that you want to install the extension. Go ahead and allow it so the lock can be added to your browser. The installation only takes a moment, and once it's done, you'll be prompted to get started. After the extension is installed, click Start Now. This launches the setup screen so you can create your account for the lock. You'll be asked for your name and surname, an email address, and then the browser password you want to use. Enter those details carefully, and when you're ready, click Register. Choose a strong, memorable password that's unique to this extension. Avoid using anything you've used elsewhere and keep it somewhere secure so you don't lose access. The email is typically used for account-related communication or recovery, so make sure it's one you can check. Once you've registered, the lock is in place. From now on, when the extension activates, it will require the password you just created before anyone can access the browser. This adds a practical layer of protection against casual snooping and helps maintain your privacy without changing the way you browse. If you ever see prompts or options inside the extension after registration, they're usually just explaining how the lock behaves or offering quick reminders. The important part is complete. You opened Brave, went to the extension's web store, added browser lock, lock your browser, click Start Now, and created your account with your name, surname, email, and a secure password, then registered. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the added peace of mind while using Brave.